your upgrade RC open class bracket 2. On the line, we have the rider with the armor granite taking on blue with the Traxxas Bigfoot Cruiser. Cameras ready, drivers ready. Watch the light. Alright, good horse off the rider. Bigfoot, keeping the wall a little bit. And rider, come right back.
Double crash.
All right, nice track. All right, looks like the cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Two tracks and stand to the right. Whoa, keep it quiet. And the clock is going to keep that on penalty. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Alright, we need to start these two cars. Got a top penalty on Granite. And Bigfoot's going to keep that on a clean run. Too tired. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. Take that on the penalty. Blue by you, Mr. Ramp. Cameras ready? Alright, cameras ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. Alright, here we are, the semifinal. Upgrade RC open bracket 2. We got Troy the Mud Shark and Mike and Bigfoot Summit. Cameras, are we ready? Drivers ready? Watch the light. Oh, we go upside down. Troy the Mud Shark and Bigfoot here. As he hits the wall at the end. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers are you ready? Watch the light. Cameras are ready? Alright, this is your open class, bracket 2, brought to you by Upgrade RC. Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light.